5 inch, 5 inch. 6 inch is much bigger. You go to 8 inch. You go to 10 inch. You go to 12 inch. What a difference in size, huh? The 5 next to the 12 looks ridiculous. Let's do something for fun. Let's compare a 5 inch to a 12 inch, shall we? So that's a 5 inch compared to a 12 inch. The difference in the size of the base is ridiculous. This base weighs 4 times more than this whole thing. Maybe 5 times more. I gotta weigh it. And we also have a 14 inch and a 16 inch, which I don't have here, but I'll make another video soon.